Finally you fucking uploaded a new song. The miyashita you server were going insane if he took longer. Anyway, enjoy the noise compilation of
あなたさま
Y'all heard that? It's like a high-pitched breath. Anyways. He sounds angry. I like it. So many fucking harmonies, bro is a choir. Oh, he turned into a cat. Sorry, I got carried away. He still kinda sounds like a cat. LMAO, what the fuck? OMG, high-pitched you, he sounds like an angel. But he's actually the spawn of Satan for real. It sounds like it could be an ad-lib in Freeze. Remember when? Ended Eminem TBH. Don't you just love it when you does that choir shit like? That shit is so good. I included this because I just love how breathy he sounds, like he sounds tired but in a sexy way. I don't know how to describe it, just listen to it again so you'll get it. Do you get me now? Now I included this because it sounds like he's smirking while singing it. Why does he keep coughing, bro, like? What is wrong with him? Please stop. Like, take some cough medicine or something. I know you simps want to hear it again, so here you go. Okay, next. I've heard this subtle noise before. It sounds like he's hiccuping. Again, it's like he sounds tired here, but it sounds good, you know. We've heard this before. It's like an intentional voice crack. There's a lot in Oswald. Like a lot. Anyways, this isn't a Oswald noise video, so let's move on. Now this is the really good shit. I know the clip is quite long than the previous noises, but like, listen, the way his voice fluctuates. So fucking good, I'm shitting tears. Then right after that we get hit by acapella you. Like, are we okay? No. Yes, 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 sighs. You screaming in our ears. Fuck yeah. What? More acapella you. With more harmonies. Everyone shut the fuck up. He's a siren for real. Please drown me. What a fucking menace. He did not need to go that hard on those notes, bro. This whole part alone destroyed everything. He needs to be stopped. He's causing mass destruction. Well, that's the end of the video. It's my first time adding commentary, so I hope it was at least a little entertaining. Fucking god, I underestimated the time it will take to edit. Goodbye.